So we are a learning platform,
Yeah.
Seco, the product that we have right now. We know that learning is very, very important for anybody, and we know that there's an entire market out there wanting to every day learn and become a better version of themselves, right? So learning has definitely, from a employee perspective, has definitely moved from becoming a career advantage only to becoming a career necessity, right? Learning, and by the way, one of our core values is learn every day, right? We ensure that we have a lot of opportunities that are provided, platforms that are provided to our dots to be able to learn and become better versions of themselves. Because what has been relevant for us up until yesterday would not have been relevant today, because
Yes.
the world is moving at a very,
Moving
very
fast.
fast
Absolutely.
pace, right? We definitely encourage all of our teams to experiment a lot with AI, that being
Mm.
the now and here thing, right? It's a wave that we definitely need to ride along with,
Right. Right.
because then that really leaves us at the back. And it's one of the most productive tools that we have. And that's something that there's no longer a question whether you will use AI. It's just about how effectively will you use it, right? At Seco, we run a bunch of initiatives around learning, right? We have something called Friday AI, which is every Friday we have a group of dots coming together to showcase how is it that they have made AI part of their lives for their day-to-day kind of use, right? That's number one. We have AI learning workshops. We have identified accelerators within the organization that will be, put in different teams that will really help in automating a bunch of things that people do on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, we have learning reimbursements that we typically end up paying out to the folks for their learning interventions that they plan to do outside of the ecosystem. Internally also, we identify a lot of places where there are skill related interventions that we plan for each of our dots, and we're able to provide them a lot of opportunities to learn, people who really are able to combine a lot of their domain expertise with the adaptability, critical thinking, AI fluency, and everything else. And that's why we are obviously trying to be on top of our game to be able to ensure that learning stays top notch for everybody.